This is the weekly chart for Dogecoin, and as you can see, as Doge has gained adoption, trading volume has significantly increased, and our trading volume has been very steady after the Saturday Night Live event. Now, one indicator that I like to use is relative strength index, and if you look, here are my relative strength index settings. I use the length of sits because crypto is more volatile than stocks. For my style, I have 90 for the upper band and 25 for my lower band. Precision of 8. I like to keep my line gold and my background purple. Now, looking through historically, at the beginning, you can see Doge was in this severely oversold period. And then heading into December, we were close to 6.8 cents and we were overbought. So this was our big week of being overbought in December. It dipped down. It didn't dip down enough before being overbought again later on in February. And by here, Doge had grown a lot of adoption. Now, we've been retracing. We've been slowly coming back down, as you can see. But right here, it's almost like we have an undecisive candle where Doge could be flipping on the weekly. And we've already witnessed this 4.92 support holding for Doge as well. It didn't break below this support and keep falling. It hit the support and then held and then even climbed almost towards 8 cents. So that's pretty good news for Doge. Last time we had a death cross was back in January. So we're really right here. This area, well below the moving average. And that moving average is pretty high because of what happened right here during Saturday Night Live. But if we can hold this support level, 4.92, and steadily climb back up, we can be making our ways towards the all-time high again at 74 cents. And if we make our way back up towards all-time high, break 74 cents, then $1 isn't too far away. Some things we need to get going. We need the trading volume to start increasing. We need to break down this bearish momentum even further for the MACD, and we need to start climbing with the bullish momentum. We had a little bit of bullish momentum back in April. This was mostly due to some ELON tweets, and I believe some ELON tweets, as the price is lower, generates higher trading volume as we saw last year. So, depending on what ELON says this year, and some of the catalysts could be Elon mentioning his buys. He could mention when he buys Doge. He could mention Tesla accepting Doge for car purchase. The development team for Doge could come out and build something new for Doge. There could be smart contracts. There could be faster Dogecoin transactions. Since it's open source, the development team is very broad. Anybody can program something for Dogecoin. So that is something to consider if you're day trading Doge. Currently, we've been getting a little bit of signals that Doge is reversing, especially breaking almost 8 cents after hitting a support line. So, pretty good news. And right here, this is June, we start getting in this oversold area for Doge. And this oversold area was near our support line as well. A little bit below the current price. Now this holds. This is great news for investors. If you're bag holding Doge from last year, some of these signs of relief are great. If we would have kept breaking down even further and heading down under a penny, I think there would have been more panic. But holding above a vital support line for Doge has been very good for retail traders. Now, it's a great scalping area as well. This support line has been great scalping. And this is the weekly chart. If we switch over to this 4-hour chart, you're going to see something different. You're going to see that we were overbought right here. People generally take profit when you're overbought. And this was a strong overbought range right here at 7.8. So coming down from this price level after being severely overbought is very natural and it's very welcoming. it could be a nice cooldown period before we make our ways for a higher than 8 cents price target for Doge. So this was probably the only concern people had, is that Doge started dipping recently, but we were in the severely overbought range right here. RSI was very high, and RSI has already cooled down on the 4 hour. If we look over here on the daily to look at daily RSI, it's still pretty high and coming down. So we have room to come back down on the daily as well. I still feel like this 4.92 support is going to hold. Parabolic SAR is still uptrending on the daily, so this could just be a minor dip before we make our way above that 8 cents price target. Thank you for watching. My name's Tametheark.